When using AI tools to create videos, it's essential to know how to interact with them effectively. You might have access to powerful AI tools like ChatGPT and vidIQ, but if you don't communicate clearly, you risk getting poor results. Let's dive into the detailed process of using these tools to repurpose your content and produce high-quality YouTube videos efficiently. Step 1. Generating video ideas with vidIQ. The first step in the process is ideation, and for that, we'll use vidIQ. vidIQ is an AI tool specifically trained for YouTube, and it helps simplify the brainstorming process. To get started, sign up and log into vidIQ. Navigate to the AI coach within the platform, which is essentially a more YouTube-tailored version of ChatGPT. Click on the prompt labeled "Give me 5 video ideas about," and type in the subject or niche of your channel. For instance, if your channel is about job hacks, you can input a prompt like job hunting tips or resume building. vidIQ will return 5 relevant video ideas almost instantly. If you don't like the first 5 suggestions, you can easily ask for more by clicking "Give me 5 more." vidIQ makes the ideation process fast and simple, allowing you to explore different topics until you find one that's just right for your audience. Let's say we decide to go with how to create a resume that stands out. Once we have the idea, it's time to craft the perfect title. Step 2. Optimizing your title. Creating an engaging title is crucial for grabbing viewers' attention. vidIQ has a tool for this as well. In the AI coach, find the "Fix This Title" prompt. Type in a rough version of your title, like "How to Create the Perfect Resume." The tool will generate multiple optimized titles designed to maximize clicks. For example, you might get suggestions like "Step-by-Step Guide to Crafting the Perfect Resume" or "The Ultimate Guide to Writing a Standout Resume." If the suggestions aren't quite right, you can keep refreshing the title ideas until you find one that you're satisfied with. A good title can make a huge difference in driving views to your video. Step 3. Writing the script with ChatGPT. Now that you have your video idea and title, it's time to focus on the script. This is where ChatGPT becomes invaluable. vidIQ offers a script tool, but it often provides very brief scripts, only about 200-300 words. On the other hand, ChatGPT can give you a much longer and more detailed script. Here's how to generate your script using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type in a prompt such as "Write a 1,000-word YouTube script on 12 tips for creating the perfect resume." ChatGPT will begin drafting your script. You can tell it to structure the content however you like. For example, write 5 sentences for each tip and include a witty introduction. If the initial output isn't detailed enough, you can give feedback like "Expand on tip number 2" or "Add more detail to each point." You can also ask it to adjust the tone to make the script more engaging or friendly. The goal is to keep refining the script until you're happy with the level of detail. One thing to note is that sometimes ChatGPT may stop writing midway due to length restrictions. If this happens, simply tell it to continue or keep going, and it will pick up where it left off. Once you're satisfied with the script, you're ready for the next stage: video creation. Step 4. Creating the video using nvideo.io. With your script in hand, it's time to move to the actual video production process using nvideo.io. This tool allows you to create professional-looking videos without needing advanced editing skills. The process is straightforward. Sign up for nvideo. They offer a free plan. And head to the dashboard. Click Create New and choose Landscape Mode. This is the typical dimension for YouTube video. Add a placeholder image. This is just a temporary image to help set the duration of your video. You can search for an image in the nvideo library. Add it to the timeline and stretch it to the length you expect your video to be, e.g. 6 to 8 minutes. Once you have the placeholder, you can start adding your voiceover and visuals. Step 5. Adding voiceover. Next, you'll need to record the voiceover for your script. You have 2 options. Record your own voice. This allows you to add your personal touch and vocal inflection. Simply click on the voiceover option in nvideo and record directly into the platform. You can use an external microphone for better sound quality, or stick with your built-in mic if that's what you have available. Use AI text-to-speech. If you prefer not to record your own voice, nvideo offers a text-to-speech option. All you need to do is copy and paste your script into the text-to-speech section, choose a voice, and let the AI generate the voiceover for you. If you choose to record your voice, it typically takes just a few minutes to go through the script. Once recorded, your voiceover will appear as a new layer on the timeline. Step 6. Adding visuals. With the voiceover in place, it's time to bring your video to life with visuals. Here's how to do it. Search for stock footage. nvideo has a large library of stock videos that you can use for free. Search for footage that matches the content of your script. For example, if the voiceover talks about resume, search for resume in the stock footage section. You'll see options like someone typing on a resume or submitting a job application. Add clips to the timeline. Once you find the right clip, click to add it to the timeline. If the clip is too long, you can trim it or select the portion you want to use. Then drag it to match the length of the voiceover section it corresponds to. Repeat for each section. Continue adding relevant visuals for each part of your script. For instance, if the voiceover talks about job interviews, search for footage related to interviews and place it on the timeline. Step 7. Adding text and graphics. To make your video more engaging, you can overlay text text and graphics. Click on the text tool in InVideo and choose from various templates. If your video includes a list of tips, it's a good idea to add text for each tip as it's mentioned in the voiceover. For example, when discussing tip number 1, you can add a title card that says tip number 1, tailor your resume to the job. Customize the text. Adjust the font size and style to match the tone of your video. If you want a minimalistic look, InVideo offers pre-designed text templates that fit well with different video style. You can also animate the text to make it appear dynamically on screen, which helps keep viewers engaged. Step 8. Adding background music. Adding music enhances the overall feel of your video. InVideo offers a wide range of royalty-free music. Go to the music section and browse different genres. For an educational video, you'll likely want something inspiring or upbeat, not too distracting. Preview and add music to the timeline. Once added, you can adjust the volume to make sure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Reducing the music volume to around 30-35% usually works well. Step 9. Creating a thumbnail with Midjourney. The final piece of the puzzle is creating a compelling thumbnail, and for that, we'll use Midjourney, an AI image generation tool. Here's how. Open Discord. Midjourney operates through Discord, and join one of the newbie rooms. Type #imagine followed by your prompt. For example, for a resume video, you could type, a person handing a resume to a smiling man in a suit. Colorful and realistic, 8K resolution, aspect ratio 16:9. Midjourney will generate 4 images for you to choose from. Pick the one you like best and upscale it for higher quality. Step 10. Finalizing and uploading. The video, the voiceover, the visuals, and the thumbnail. You're ready to upload the video to YouTube. Don't forget to use vidIQ or ChatGPT to help write a compelling video description and optimize your tags. Once everything is done, by following these steps, you'll be able to create professional, engaging YouTube videos without spending excessive time or money. Each tool works together to streamline the process from ideation to the final upload, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content consistently.